Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently filmed a video with my favorite pharmacy products, and I also mentioned a few different ways you can make money with pharmacy and how to become a partner with them, or as they call it, a beauty influencer, which is something super easy. It only takes a few minutes to register and order one of their starter packages. So I have been getting my products from my mom, who works with pharmacy, and she worked with them for many years. And now that pharmacy is also available in the UK, I decided to become a member too. So I ordered my first starter package. This was only £19.99. I wanted to show you guys just how easy it is to become a member, and even if you don't want to build a team and make loads of money with this, you just want to buy products for yourself and for your family, I think it's really worth joining them just to get all the products for a discounted price. So let's open this box and see what I got. I am actually so excited that now I can order products from them in the UK, because it will be so much easier. There are loads of products that I only like to buy from them: shampoo, hair conditioner, body wash, dishwashing soap, and even makeup. Just open the box. The first thing I can see is a pharmacy catalog. This is something you can give to your friends, or if you want to build a team and sell products, it's something you can share with people. And in here I got another box. I like this color. So this is the only starter package that has product samples. All the other packages, which are more expensive, they have full-size products in them. It has like a welcome leaflet. These are the owners of the company. So in case you don't know, this is a Turkish brand, and it was founded by these two guys' grandfather. He was actually a doctor, and he wanted to create products that are very natural. And what I love about this brand is that they have such a big variety of products. So the first thing I got here is an anti-wrinkle cream. This is from the Dr. Tuna line, the founder of the company. Next I got some products from the Calendula, I'm not sure how to say this, series. So this is for dry and sensitive skin, and in here you will find some face wash and face creams. This is a face cream I have used before and I really liked it. It is so hydrating and you don't have to use a lot of it. Also, I know that these samples look really tiny. I have tried their product samples before. I tried face creams, eye creams, and they actually lasted me for a really long time. I believe this is one of their newest products. This is something you can use on your face, your body, and also on your hair. And I also want to show you their golden rules. I think this is something really important to know about them and the way they make their products. So they don't test on animals. All their products are heavy metal free. They are also gluten free. Oh my god, I just cannot say this word. All their products are dermatologically tested. I hope that's correct. Okay, next we got some hair products, which I'm very excited about. In here I got 2 shampoos and 2 hair conditioners. This is what the full-size products look like. I can really recommend these products if your hair is really thin like mine and you want to add some extra volume, and you also want your hair to look more healthy. And this is the next thing I got in my package. In here I actually got 4 different products. So these products are perfect if you have an uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, or dark spots. They used white sand lily to brighten and even out skin tone. So next I got this. These products are really good if you have an oily skin. I have tried their face cream from this collection and I really love this. So the first makeup product I got in here is this concealer, and there are actually 4 different colors in here. So products like this, concealer and foundation, I like to first try them out and see which one matches my skin tone, and then the ones that are too light or too dark, I like to mix them together so it doesn't go to waste and I still get get to use them. I actually never tried their concealer, so I'm very excited to try this out. Next, I got 2 different types of massage gels. So I got one with chestnut and one with paprika and chili. This is meant to have like a warming effect, which is quite nice. I got another package of these, and there's actually another one of these oils that I mentioned before. And the last makeup product I got is this foundation. This is from their Air Glow line. And lastly, I got 2 of these cute little kind of gift bags. Again, this is something you can share with people if you want to build a team or you want to gift something to one of your friends to try out. So that is all that I got in my starter package, and honestly I can only recommend all of their products. I find it super important to use products that are organic and natural and also good for the environment, and that is why I love this brand. I am super excited that they started selling in the UK as well. If you guys want to buy any of their products or you want to become a member so you can get all their products for a discounted price, I am going to leave a link for you in the description box. So that was it for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.